In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Victoria Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Victoria Primary and Bible knowledge. Which of Israel's judges had the most physical strength?
Samson.
Correct. Foundation. Which of Israel's judges was an early mentor to Samuel?
Eli.
That's correct. Science for Victoria. Which human blood type is known as the universal donor?
Type O.
That's incomplete. It's O negative. Foundation. Which human blood type is known as the universal recipient?
AB positive.
That's correct. Local affairs, we have a visual question for Victoria. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Isaac Buchanan.
Incorrect. It's Dr. Auger Dixon, the candidate in the 2025 election. Foundation, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jana Precious.
Incorrect. It's Nikisha Burchell, MP. English language for Victoria. Spell intangible.
INTANGABLE.
That's incorrect. It's INTANGIBLE. Foundation. Spell parallel.
PARALLEL.
That is correct. Television or visual question for Victoria. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Smurfy.
Incorrect. It's Sleepy from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Confused.
Incorrect. It's Sneezy, also from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. General knowledge. This is for Victoria. Which German was credited for the invention of the printing press?
Johnny Briseño.
Incorrect. It's Johannes Gutenberg. Foundation. John Logie Baird was a famous inventor of which device?
Computer.
Incorrect. It's the television. Social studies for Victoria. What is the name for a round model of the planet Earth?
Geographic.
Incorrect. It's globe. Foundation. What is the name for a drawing that shows where places are located?
Grid lines.
Incorrect. It's a map. Music for Victoria. This is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this late Jamaican singer.
Delroy Chuck.
Incorrect. It's Byron Lee. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this Caribbean singer. Incorrect. It's the Mighty Sparrow. Mathematics for Victoria. How many odd numbers are between 11 and 21 inclusive?
6.
Correct. Foundation. How many even numbers are between 30 and 40 exclusive?
4.
Correct. Sports. We won't be able to get to that question. That brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Foundation Prep on 4 and Victoria Primary on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Break large tasks into smaller steps to make them less overwhelming. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.